In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix problems with Windows 11 downloading and trying to install updates that it's already installed on your PC. So let me give you a quick demonstration. So a few days ago, I went into Windows Update and I found that it was trying to download over 10 different files that it had previously downloaded and installed, and no matter how many times I restarted my PC and kept on clicking the update option, it kept on doing the same thing over and over again. So I did find a way to fix this, which was very, very simple. So again, I had to go into the settings. So normally the settings can be found on your bottom taskbar. If not, you can also put your cursor over the Windows Start button and right click and select settings. So once you're on the settings page, again, stay on the system and scroll down and click on troubleshoot, and then click on other troubleshooters. And from the list there, you can see there's a Windows Update option. So if you click on the run option, it will run some tests and it will detect if there's any kind of software errors and try to fix them. So click on the run button. This may take anywhere from, say, 30 seconds to 5+ minutes, so just be patient with it. So you can see it's run some tests and it may detect some issues. So if you do get any messages on the screen asking you to fix them, just click yes and so on, and hopefully that will fix your problems with Windows 11 trying to install updates it's already installed and so on. So that's it. Thanks for watching.